This is the Viridian MDS35 and MDS25, a modern dot sight built for maximum field of view and duty-grade durability. Let's get yours set up. Inside the box, you'll find the MDS35 or 25 optic pre-installed on its mount, a CR2032 battery, adjustment wrenches, a lens cloth, and your quick start guide. Start by installing the battery. Unscrew the cap on the top of your MDS sight. Insert the CR2032 battery with the positive side facing out, and tighten the cap securely. Your modern dot sight features 30,000 hours of battery life and instant-on technology, so it's ready when you are. To install, ensure your firearm is clear and safe. Place the optic on your Picatinny rail, choosing a position that provides comfortable eye relief. Then use the provided wrenches to secure it. To sight in, use the top adjustment for elevation and the side for windage. Each click provides crisp, tactile feedback. We recommend sighting in the top dot of your BRC Reticle at 50 yards. If you want to know more about the Viridian BRC Reticle, click this video here. With an IPX6 waterproof rating and 6061 aluminum housing, the MDS lineup is ready for any environment. For more information, visit ViridianWeaponTech.com.